Hi everyone, in this video we want to talk about the calculation of the centroid and also area for such shape. So if we have this shape, the whole area is a rectangle. The top part we do know that's a spandrel. So this is like the top part is a spandrel, and also we do know that that's a parabolic spandrel. And how we know that? That's because it just says it's a second degree curve, so that's a parabolic spandrel. In the previous video, I showed that how to calculate the general spandrel equation in terms of the area and also centroid. I'll provide you with the link in the comment of this video if you want to review that one. And then if we subtract the triangle minus this top spandrel, we can get the area. So if the spandrel area is a sub 1 and the desired shape is a sub 2, the total is the rectangle and is a total, and also x bar is summation of ai xi over summation of areas. The general spandrel equation, with the with the length of b and height of h is equal to y is equal to constant times x to the power of n. We calculate x bar based off these two x bar and area based off these two formula. And if we just jump to a parabolic spandrel, which stands for a second degree curve, x to the power of 2 or x squared, we can easily substitute the general equation and instead of n replace it by 2 to get the area bh over 3, and replace n by 2 to get x bar equal to b over 4 from here. So our x bar is calculated from the base. So this is like b over 4 and this is like 3b over 4, 3 quarter of b. Now let's jump to our shape, and if we have like our shape like this one and we want to calculate the, for example, first the area, we can simply look at our parabolic spandrel and rectangle, and definitely the below part or a sub 2 is equal to the rectangle minus the top spandrel. So the rectangle minus the spandrel a1, it just says b times h minus 1/3 of b times h, and it just gives us a2 is equal to 2/3 of bh, which is here. Now we have the area for this part. We want to calculate the centroid for that one, and the centroid equation is summation of ai xi over summation of, so for the rectangle one is a times x, which is here, minus a1 times x. It just gives us the centroid of a sub 2 area. So if we just jot down the equation, a for the entire rectangle is b times h minus b over 2 minus the area of the top span 1/3 of bh times b over 4. It should be 4, my bad. Then if you do the math, it just gives you a x bar is equal to 5 over 8 times b. And it is interesting and has a very useful application in moment area calculation of beams deflection, which is a geometric method. In next video, we use the same equation to solve the beam deflection with a moment area method, and you see how uh, knowing this such calculation make the problem far simpler. Thank you.